Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is stopping mistakes before they happen. Are mistakes in your practice costing you clients? The truth is that these mistakes are completely preventable. And instead of spending time handling mistakes after they happen, you could free up your time by stopping them before they even occur. The first step of handling this is a matter of company policy. What are the actions you have established as what should be done in certain situations? This could be in regards to handling clients, such as what you do when a client cancels. But it could also pertain to anything regarding the operation of your practice. If you receive a shipment of goods or supplies, who signs for it and where does it go? This is an example of policy that can affect your everyday operations. If the wrong person were to grab it and then put it in the wrong place, the one person who really needs it may waste hours of work time looking for a box. So you must have policy for activities that are carried out in your office. Don't go crazy with it and tell them how to sign their own name or something like this, but do make sure that anything you want done a specific way has a policy detailing it. The next point is that while having policy is good, it is useless if it is not made known to others. If every person is acting without a known procedure, you will have the same problems you had before, because unless someone knows what they're supposed to do, they can't do it. So make sure that as part of your onboarding, you have your staff study the policies regarding the practice, as well as any specific policies that have to do with the functions of their assigned role. Lastly, if you do all of this and are still running into trouble, it is important to train your staff for possible scenarios. This is done by drilling your staff on procedures they have to follow. Before letting someone use the front desk computer, have them drill using it to schedule a fake patient. You wouldn't let a vet operate without practicing first. So why should anyone in your practice do something without drilling it first? Practice any and all scenarios. Because if they actually happen, your staff will now be prepared. And if something comes up that they weren't prepared for, you can drill them on handling it after the fact, so that it doesn't happen again. If there was a policy that they didn't apply, correct them on it by showing them the policy that was violated. If there isn't one that applies, then you'll have to develop one based off of the situation and make sure it's known. Having policy, making it known, and drilling your staff on procedures is a great way to lessen staff turnover. Because when a staff member knows what to do, they stop making mistakes and start to feel secure in their position. If you implement this, you'll find you have less mistakes, less stress, and happier staff. And I'm sure that's something everyone wants. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.